Welcome to Beautiful Home Design Ideas. In today's video, we're diving into creative balcony makeover ideas that turn even the tiniest space into a stylish and soul-soothing escape. From vertical garden walls to magical string lights, this is your blueprint for transforming a boring balcony into a beautiful oasis you'll never want to leave. Vertical garden wall. In the concrete jungle, vertical space is your best friend. And what better way to breathe life into your balcony than a vertical garden wall? Whether you go full jungle with lush ferns and pothos, or keep it minimalist with trailing ivy and herbs, this is a space-saving statement piece that's both beautiful and functional. Use wooden trellises, wall-mounted planters, or even hanging pockets for a DIY approach. If you're short on time or handy skills, plenty of ready-to-install green walls are available online. You get privacy, a burst of nature, and a refreshing pop of green that turns your balcony into your very own urban Eden. Add in macrame plant hangers, and suddenly, you've got an artistic and airy garden in the sky. It's lush. It's chic. It's the breath of fresh air your city life has been missing. Foldable furniture. Urban living means every inch matters, so why not invest in foldable furniture that's smart, stylish, and space-saving? Think sleek bistro chairs, compact benches, or even wall-mounted folding tables that give you the luxury of choice, morning coffee nook or yoga corner. You decide. These pieces aren't just functional, they're design elements. Choose foldable furniture in modern matte black, earthy wood tones, or crisp white for a sophisticated look. Pair it with soft outdoor cushions and throws, and you've got a flexible setup that transforms with your mood. Plus, when you're ready to entertain, you can open everything up. And when you're done, just fold and store. Maximum impact, minimal clutter. Cozy up with layers. Here's a secret to making your balcony feel like an extension of your home: layering textiles. Start with an outdoor rug. It adds warmth, defines the space, and instantly boosts style. Go for bold stripes, neutral geometrics, or a boho pattern that ties your color scheme together. Next, add plush cushions and cozy throws. Mix patterns, textures, and shapes to create a lived-in, welcoming vibe. Think beige linen cushions with green botanical prints or terracotta throws against navy accents, whatever reflects your personality. Suddenly, your balcony isn't just a place to stand, it's a place to lounge, nap, sip wine, or read under the stars. Before we go any further, if you're enjoying these creative balcony ideas, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below telling us which idea you'd love to try first. Whether you've got a tiny terrace or a spacious balcony, I'd love to hear how you'd make it your dream escape. Now, back to the inspiration. Lights. You're a hanging hammock chair. Want instant ambience? String lights are your best friend. Drape them along the railing, hang them overhead, or weave them around your vertical garden for a magical fairy tale feel. Warm white tones create a cozy golden glow that makes your evenings feel extra special. To elevate your nighttime lounging experience, add a hanging hammock chair. It's the ultimate boho luxury touch. Hang it from a secure beam or ceiling hook, make sure it's properly supported. Toss in a pillow and suddenly your balcony becomes a floating sanctuary. Whether you're sipping chamomile tea or scrolling on your phone, the gentle sway of a hammock chair under twinkling lights turns your balcony into a relaxing escape that feels like a weekend retreat, even on a Wednesday night. Stylish and seasonal vibe with palette furniture, curtains, and decor. Let's talk character, and nothing adds personality like palette furniture. With just a few stacked wooden pallets, you can create a DIY love seat, coffee table, or even a daybed. Add cushions, a few side tables, and you've got rustic charm with a modern twist. Now soften the space with outdoor curtains. Lightweight sheers or bold color-blocked panels can give you both privacy and elegance. They also help frame the view and protect against harsh sun, functional and beautiful. And don't forget to keep things fresh with seasonal decor. In spring, add floral garlands and pastel pots. In summer, switch to tropical prints and lanterns. Fall? Think cozy plaid pillows and mini pumpkins. Winter? Add twinkling fairy lights and faux fur throws. Your balcony becomes a revolving door of seasonal magic, and every update makes it feel new again. So there you have it, 5 creative ways to turn your urban balcony into the ultimate personal retreat. Whether you're adding vertical gardens, string lights, or cozy throws, it's all about maximizing charm, comfort, and style in a small space. Don't let city living limit your imagination. Your balcony can be a boho haven, a mini bistro, or a hidden garden, it's all up to you. If this video gave you fresh ideas and a little spark of inspiration, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. I'd love to hear how you're styling your own balcony escape. Until next time, stay cozy, stay creative, and happy decorating.